Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Nomadic Investing. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the potential to transform your financial future, the life-changing power of one successful investment. We often hear about diversification, risk management, and long-term strategies in investing. While these are all incredibly important, there's a unique phenomenon that can dramatically change your financial future, that one home run investment. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Imagine it's the late 90s and you decide to invest in a small online bookstore called Amazon. At the time, it was a risky bet. E-commerce was still in its infancy. But fast forward to today, and that one investment could have turned a modest sum into millions. This is the life-changing power I'm talking about. Now, I'm not saying you should put all your eggs in one basket. Far from it. But recognizing and seizing the opportunity when you see it can be a game changer. Let's break down how you can position yourself to potentially make that one successful investment. Step 1. Research and education. Understand the market, the industry, and the specific company. Read financial reports, stay updated with market news, and learn from reputable sources. In today's digital age, information is at our fingertips. Use resources like financial news websites, company annual reports, and market analysis from credible analysts. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. Step 2. Innovation and disruption. Successful investments often come from companies that are changing the game. Think about how Apple revolutionized personal tech or how Tesla disrupted the automotive industry. Step 3. Evaluate the management team. A company's leadership is crucial. Great ideas need great execution. Look for leaders with a proven track record of success. Step 4. Patience and long-term vision. Transformative investments usually take time to mature. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. If you've done your homework, stick to your convictions. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are most great investments. Patience is key. Stay committed to your long-term vision even when the market gets volatile. One of the most important aspects of making a life-changing investment is having the courage to trust your analysis and take action. It can be daunting, but remember, every successful investor has faced that moment of uncertainty. Let's talk about a few practical steps you can take right now to start your journey toward finding that life-changing investment. First, start small and scale up. Begin with a portion of your portfolio. As you gain confidence and see potential, you can increase your investment. Second one is networking with other investors. Join investment communities, attend webinars, and engage with others who share your interest. Third, you must stay informed. The market is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest news trends and technological advancements. Remember, finding that one successful investment is not about luck. It's about being prepared, staying informed, and having the courage to take action when the right opportunity presents itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments. What's the one investment you're keeping an eye on? Until next time, happy investing.